perlu mentang ila poisini po University Guwahati. Dan ni Rishan Karkrang nir di aktor entai tir ibahab walang entar Yusam Yusam tu if if ini di kami ba
Hello.
kami ba di bapen lek makeup bapen bhabri yaki aktor aktris
Mano ba ko ang style?
mga
Kunin nga mo. Follow Instagram.
salak mo
Ko followers.
TV madam kini kena kolak kini kena ini kena kolak ini sakraw
Hi everyone.
hello this is Siddharth Sinha from Assam. He is an actor.
Yeah, I'm really feeling grateful and really feeling lucky to be a part of this film. And I have already seen a few clips of this movie, and they have done a great job. Katrina is one of my best friend, and he's a great director. And really feeling happy to work with him and his team.
Thank you.